Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create an AI logo in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, go to canva.com and sign in or create a free account. Once you're in, click on Create a Design and set your logo dimensions. A common size is 1080 by 1080 pixels for a high-resolution logo. Next, look at the sidebar and scroll down to find Apps. Click on it, then use the search bar to look for logo-related apps. Type in logo and explore the different AI-powered logo generators available. Select one of the apps. For this example, we'll use the one that lets you describe the logo you want. Enter a prompt. Click Create to generate your logo. The AI will process your prompt and display a logo design. Keep in mind that the dimensions might slightly reduce, so adjust your canvas size if needed. The generated design can be further edited or enhanced. If you're satisfied with the result, you can upscale the image or download it. You can also share the concept with a designer to refine it into a professional version. So that's basically how you can create an AI logo in Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.